Given that the resultant of the vectors A equals 2p minus 5j, so I'm going to write that as a column vector, because that's how I like my vectors, and B is equal to 6i minus 3pj, and we're told that that is parallel to the vector C, which is 4i minus 5j. So the resultant of A and B, so adding A and B together, that's the resultant of A and B. That's going to be parallel, so some multiple of C. So 2p plus 6 would equal 4k, and minus 5 minus 3p would have to equal minus 5k. We can now do some simultaneous equations to work out what p is going to be. So, lots of different ways we can solve this. I'm going to take this first equation, make p the subject, and substitute that into my second equation. So k is equal to 4. And so p is 5. So that's my answer for part A. Part B, find the resultant of the vectors A and B. Well, this was my resultant for the vectors A and B, but I know what p is now, so I've got 2 times 5 plus the 6. I've got minus 5 minus the 3 lots of 5. So we've got 16 minus 20. That's the resultant of A and B. So I think the key thing for this question is parallel means it has to be a multiple of C. Quite a lot of students forget the K for it being a multiple of C.